Welcome students, this is your computer teacher and today we are going to start a new chapter that is Microsoft Excel 2010. And this video will serve as part 1 of its series. So let's see what are we going to learn today. In an overview we will have what Microsoft Excel is, features of MS Excel, workbook versus worksheets, how to start MS Excel, anatomy of MS Excel window and the components of worksheet. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. What is actually Microsoft Excel? MS Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It is also a part of Microsoft Office package, which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, etc. It performs calculations on data which is present in rows and columns, which means the entire data is present in the form of rows and columns, that is in tabular form, which is a pretty organized and a neat way to present data. Moving on, we will have the features of MS Excel. We can use formulas that will perform simple and complex calculations. Data can be viewed in graphical form. That means we can create charts and graphs within Microsoft Excel using the data that is present inside it. Data can be recalculated if some changes are made in a worksheet. Autofill feature is there to automatically fill the data in known series, which means if we are starting to write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it will automatically fill the list of the days of the week. Similarly, if we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll just have to drag this series and the numbers will come automatically. Next one is data can be quickly searched and replaced very easily. Since data is in a pretty organized form, so it can be easily searched and replaced using find and replace feature. Data is easily organized in tabular form for better understanding. Whenever the data is present in tabular form, it is always better understood than when it is present in a paragraph form. Moving on to the next topic, that is workbook versus worksheet. Now, what is actually workbook and what is actually a worksheet? I'll show you in a minute when I'll go with the live hands-on experience with Microsoft Excel. But for the time being, I'm going to tell you that a file that we create in MS Excel is a workbook. But a single spreadsheet document, the sheet which is spread in rows and columns, a single spreadsheet document created in a workbook is called a worksheet. Or we can simply say that workbook is a collection of worksheets and worksheet is a collection of rows and columns. By default, a workbook contains 3 worksheets and by default a worksheet contains 1048576 rows and 16384 columns. You can pause the video here and note down this difference. Now let me show you how we can start MS Excel. Simply, we will go to the start menu and type Excel, EXCEL. The search bar will automatically show you the Excel icon which is present in this start menu option. We'll click on it and our Excel will open up. Now this is how our Excel sheet looks like. As I told you, a file which is created in MS Excel is called a workbook. So this entire thing or entire document is called as workbook. But single sheet, we are viewing right now one single sheet, that is a worksheet, which means these are the columns, the vertical ones, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. These are columns, the vertical ones, column, that is also a column, E is also a column. Whereas the horizontal ones are rows with row numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can clearly see by default there are 3 sheets present at the very bottom. Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. just near the status bar. So we will start with the anatomy of this Excel window, which means what are the components of Excel window and where are they located. So to start with this, we'll first of all have a title bar. This particular thing at the very top is known as a title bar. This entire top bar is a title bar. Whereas on the very left and the most top left corner, we have a quick access toolbar at the very top. Save, undo, redo and other options are present here. Here just below that we have file button option, and this entire area is known as a ribbon. Whereas ribbon is comprised of two components, tabs and groups. These at the very bottom are known as groups, which I am encircling, and at the top we have tabs like insert tab, page layout tab, home tab. At the top we have tabs and at the bottom we have groups. Now at the very bottom of the screen, this is a status bar. This is a horizontal scroll bar and this is a vertical scroll bar. Whereas this particular thing, a rectangular piece in our Excel worksheet, is known as a cell. This is called a cell. That is an intersection of a row and a column. And fun fact is that a cell can have up to 32,767 characters. I repeat again, 32,767 characters. Now this black boundary around a cell is known as a cell pointer. This particular one. This is known as a cell pointer. Now the cell around which this cell pointer is there, it is known as an active cell. So what is an active cell? An active cell is a cell which is highlighted in the worksheet using a cell pointer. So I hope you all got to know how MS Excel worksheet and workbook looks like. So in the next video, we'll learn how to operate and how to work with this MS Excel worksheet. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and have a nice day.